Hola y buenos días. Hoy vamos a comparar things en español. So we're going to say something is more expensive than or is the most expensive. That's what we're going to learn today con el transporte, modos de transporte. Comenzamos con un poco de vocabulario. Do you know these words en español? Plane, train, bike, car, motorbike, bus, boat. Pause the video so that you can write down what you think they are y luego vamos a comparar. Plane, avión. Train, tren. Car, yo digo coche. What do you say? Maybe you say carro if you're in America. Or maybe you say automóvil, automóvil. Bike is bici. Motorbike is moto, la moto. You can say bicicleta for bike as well. Or you can say motocicleta for moto. Bus, in Peru, it was colectivo. And in Mexico, I believe it's camión. En España, autobús. Y en el Caribe, guagua. So take your pick. And a boat is un barco. Vale. Vamos en tren, en España, imaginamos. ¿En el talgo o en el ave? ¿Qué es el talgo? ¿Qué es el ave? Ave means bird. We also have Ave Maria. But ave, en el contexto de los trenes, es un tren de alta velocidad española. Bueno, so alta velocidad is high speed, alta velocidad. So it's the fastest train. Y talgo, esto es difícil. Talgo es un tren articulado ligero. Ligero es importante. Ligero means light. Y cuando algo es ligero, puede ir más rápido. ¿Entiendes? So he made it light. Who made it light? This guy. Goicoechea y Oriol. So that's where we get talgo. Tren articulado ligero de Goicoechea. Easy for you to say Oriol. Goicoechea, Alejandro, fue ingeniero quien participó en el diseño. Participó, he participated. Y Oriol, dio, he gave, dio el apoyo, the support económico. Bien. ¿El talgo es más rápido? No. El ave es más rápido. ¿El talgo es más cómodo? Now, cómodo means comfortable. Bueno. El talgo es tan cómodo como el ave. So, we have these two ways of making comparisons. Let's have a look at those en un poco más detalle. But first, I would like you to turn to página 143 and I would like you to leer las preguntas y el diálogo. Si no tienes pasos, puedes leer el diálogo. It's actividad 3 de unidad 10. In the transcripts, you can find a link for these from JM Languages in the description to this video. And what I would like you to do is leer el diálogo and look for where they're making comparisons. How do they do that? What does it look like? Do you understand? Do that now. There were some lovely useful phrases in este diálogo. Things like, ¿a qué hora sale? What time does it leave? ¿A qué hora llega? What time does it arrive? ¿Puedo reservar la vuelta? Can I reserve the return journey? Aquí tiene, here you are. If you want más frases útiles, check out my previous video. Link. Ahora vamos a comparar los modos del transporte. We do this in English by adding er to an adjective. So I have a word like fast and I say faster. or slow and slower. If I have a longer word in Inglés, I say more expensive or more comfortable. In Espanol, there's only one way to do it, and that's the more than way, which is más, and then the adjective, and then que. Por ejemplo, el tren es más rápido que el coche. This is how we're making a comparison. If you're making a superlative in Espanol, it's el más rápido. So that in English is the fastest or the most expensive. So our words in English have changed. In Espanol, they haven't changed. El más rápido. El más barato. The cheapest. Now here's a list of adjectives. How many of these words do you know? We have cheap, expensive, dangerous, safe, fast, slow, and environmentally friendly, ecological in Spanish. Those words are barato is cheap, caro, expensive, caro, peligroso, dangerous, safe is seguro, fast is rápido, slow is lento, and green is ecológico. Bien? So now what I would like you to do is muy fácil. If you have pasos, I would like you to turn to página 144, and I would like you to read about la Renfe, la Red Net Nacional de Ferrocarriles, which is railways, ferrocarriles, ferro from iron and carril from way, I guess, ferrocarriles de España, Renfe. I would like you to notice where they're making comparisons and superlatives. There's one more estructura to tell you about before I leave you for today, and that is when we're saying as something as, so as expensive as or as fast as, then we're going to say tan rápido como, tan rápido como, as fast as. Por ejemplo, el tren es tan rápido como el avión. If you're going from Newcastle to London, certainly, because by the time you've been to el aeropuerto and checked in and all of that, el tren es tan rápido como el avión y mucho más ecológico. Now, I prefer to say that something is not as than to say it is less than. I prefer to say el autobús no es tan peligroso como la bici. I prefer that, but I can, en español, say el autobús es menos peligroso que la bici. So if I'm saying menos, I need to say que. If I say más, I need to say que. If I'm saying tan, I need to say como. I would like you to use esta lista de transporte y esta lista de cómo es el transporte, and I would like you to make sentences comparing them. If you would be so kind, I would love you to post sentences in the comments box, because that helps me with the YouTube algorithm to promote my videos to other people and get a wider audience. Also, por favor, like the video y nos vemos muy pronto. And I think we'll have a little bit about getting to people's houses. So we'll be using that transporte y nos vemos muy pronto. Gracias y adiós.